To allow the system to start scanning for a suitable parking space, touch the Park Assist icon. As you approach a space, drive slowly past it at a speed of less than 30 km per hour, leaving a gap of 0.5 to 1.5 meters between your vehicle and the row of parked vehicles. When a space is found, a confirmation graphic will be displayed, accompanied by a tone. If more than one valid space is displayed, switch from the pre-selected space using the touchscreen. Continue to drive slowly past the space until instructed to stop and select reverse to begin maneuver. Allow Park Assist to take control of the steering. Observe the space and apply the brake pedal if necessary. When instructed to drive forwards with care, stop and select a forward gear. Stop the vehicle when the maneuver is complete. To exit a parallel parking space, select the parking exit icon and the side for exiting a space using the direction indicators. If there is space to exit, a confirmation graphic will display, accompanied by a tone. When instructed, select reverse to begin the maneuver, until instructed to drive forwards with care, allowing the system to take control of the steering. Observe the surrounding area and apply the brake pedal if necessary. When the maneuver is complete, a confirmation message will display.